India is observing the Constitution Day today. That is the 26th of November, an annual observance that commemorates the official adoption of the Indian Constitution on this day back in 1949, establishing India as a sovereign and democratic republic. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, their image right there, here at the Samvidhan Sadan in the Central Hall. 11 a.m. is when the launch of the Constitution of India, and it will be launched in 9 languages as Constitution Day is being celebrated today. Visuals here from Samvidhan Sadan from the Central Hall. Now, President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they are participating in these celebrations taking place, as I mentioned, at the Central Hall of the Old Parliament in New Delhi. Now, it was back in 2015 that the government officially notified this day, 26th November, as the Constitution Day to promote constitutional values among citizens. Before 2015, this date, 26th November, was formally observed as the National Law Day in honor of Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, whose image we just had, and those images are put up in Samvidhan Sadan across the hall. He was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India and also the first law minister of independent India.
जब हम संविधान की बात करते तो हमारा संविधान जो है वो भारत की एकता और अखंडता का आधार के तौर पर इसे हम देखते हैं। हम मूल सिद्धांत और मूल अधिकारों की बात करते हैं और ऐसे में संविधान की जो प्रासंगिकता है वो आज भी बनी हुई है, क्योंकि 1949 को जब बाबा साहेब ने सिर्फ संविधान नहीं दिया बल्कि देश को नई चेतना दी और इस चेतना ने करोड़ों भारतीयों को अपने अधिकारों की बात करने के लिए लड़ने की हिम्मत दी, उन्हें भरोसा दिया कि आप अपने लिए आवाज़ उठाइए। और आज विश्व का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र भारत अपने संविधान की 76वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहा है। तो आज का दिन बेहद ही खास और बेहद ही महत्वपूर्ण, क्योंकि आज का दिन भारत की पहचान, अधिकार और जिम्मेदारियों को याद दिलाने वाला ये दिन है। और अब से
today marks 76 years of the adoption of the Constitution. It is an annual observance that commemorates the official adoption of the Indian Constitution on this day back in 1949. Now, just to give you a bit about what happened in history in 1949, the Constitution Day commemorates the adoption, as I mentioned, of the Indian Constitution by the Constituent Assembly, and the last session of that Constituent Assembly ended on the 26th of November 1949. 2 months later, January 26, 1950, the Constitution came into effect after being signed by 284 members. January 26th is when India celebrates its Republic Day, and November 26th is when the Constitution Day is celebrated. And as I mentioned earlier, President Draupadi Murmu and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they will be participating in the celebrations. That's the Indian President who has arrived at the old Constitution, old Parliament building, that is, in the Central Hall of Samvidhan Sadan. The Indian President, Draupadi Murmu, is in attendance with the security protocol. This day is annually marked to reflect on the country's transformative journey and promotes and reaffirms its commitment to constitutional ideals and democratic traditions. As the Indian President arriving at the old Parliament building, Samvidhan Sadan, the Central Hall, is where the festival or the commemorations are going to take place. India is observing its Constitution Day, that is 26th of November. It was on this day 76 years ago that the Indian Constitution was adopted. 2 months later, it came into effect on the 26th of January, 1950. Today, we will be seeing celebrations because this is an annually marked day to reflect on the country's transformative journey, to promote and reaffirm its commitment to constitutional ideals. It's also known as Samvidhan Divas, Constitution Day of India, an annual observance commemorating the official adoption of the Indian Constitution. The Indian Prime Minister in attendance.
महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी,
Indian President Draupadi Murmu, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in attendance. We also see the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Om Birla, in attendance as they take center stage. All ministers, cabinet ministers, Prime Minister, President standing as they play the national anthem of India.
ईस्वी मिति मार्गशीर्ष शुक्ल सप्तमी संवत 2006 विक्रमी को एतत् द्वारा संविधान को अंगीकृत, अधिनियमित और आत्मार्पित किया गया। हमारा संविधान
The drafting of the Constitution was an intensive and inclusive process. Constitution Assembly, body assigned to draft the Constitution, took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days back in 1949, leading up to the date 26 November in 1949, when it was adopted. It took that long to complete the drafting of the Constitution. In the process of making the Constitution of India, over 7,600 amendments were proposed, and later 2,400 amendments were accepted. After the Assembly spent 114 days discussing the draft. The Constitution was adopted on the 26th of November 1949, this day 76 years ago, and 2 months later, on which is now celebrated as Republic Day, 26th of January 1950, the Constitution came into effect. That's Speaker of Lok Sabha, Om Birla, speaking now.
इस पावन अवसर पर आज हम भारत की संविधान सभा के अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी, हमारे संविधान के शिल्पकार बाबा साहब डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जी एवं संविधान सभा के सभी मान्य सदस्यों का आदरपूर्वक नमन करते हैं। उनके अद्भुत ज्ञान, विवेक,
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, famously known as the chief architect, father of the Indian Constitution,
बंधुत्व,
Speaker of Lok Sabha addressing first.
और गरिमा की गारंटी देता है। इस अवसर पर
It's an important day
हमारे माननीय
for every Indian.
राष्ट्रपति महोदय जी,
As India observes the Constitution Day,
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, राज्यसभा
it's also referred to as Samvidhan Divas,
माननीय
annual observance that commemorates the official adoption of the Indian Constitution
सदन के
in 1949 on this day.
लोकसभा में नेता प्रतिपक्ष, राज्यसभा के उपसभापति, माननीय मंत्रीगण, सभी दल के नेतागण, माननीय सदस्यगण, अतिथियों, आप सभी का इस ऐतिहासिक संविधान सदन में हार्दिक स्वागत, अभिनंदन। संविधान सभा का ये केंद्रीय कक्ष
Opposition Rahul Gandhi
पवित्र स्थान है जहां
sitting on the far right.
संवाद एवं विचार मंथन के बाद हमारे संविधान को आकार दिया गया। जनता की आकांक्षाओं को संवैधानिक प्रावधानों में लिपिबद्ध किया गया।
This is an annual observance
मार्गदर्शन में पिछले
in India,
दशक से अधिक के
because this is the day
कालखंड में हमने
when the Indian Constitution was adopted and established India as a sovereign and democratic republic.
समावेशी विकास के लक्ष्य प्राप्त
I'd like to
किए।
quote
हमने अपने
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar here,
मार्गदर्शन
who said that the Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document, it's a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of the age.
यात्रा तय की है। भारत
Quote unquote, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, father of the Indian Constitution.
लोकतंत्र माना जाता है। हमारा संविधान का गौरव है।
Indian Prime Minister, Indian President,
हमारे संविधान की प्रस्तावना में
sitting center stage.
हम भारत के लोग, हमारी सामूहिक शक्ति, राष्ट्रीय एकता और जन कल्याण के लक्ष्य की सशक्त अभिव्यक्ति है। आज हम सभी का
Along with
लक्ष्य है
C.P. Radhakrishnan, Vice President of India,
47 तक भारत को विकसित राष्ट्र बनाने का, और ये लक्ष्य तभी पूर्ण होगा जब हम अपने जीवन में संविधान के मूल्यों
we see all ministers in attendance.
अपनाएंगे। आइए आज इस पावन दिवस पर हम अपने इस संकल्प को दृढ़ करें कि संविधान के मूल्यों एवं आदर्शों को आत्मसात करेंगे और हमारा निर्णय राष्ट्रहित को सर्वोपरि होगा। अपने
This date, 26th November, it was chosen because the Congress Purna Swaraj resolution had been declared on the same date in 1930, 26th November that is. And as a result, January 26th, which is celebrated as Republic Day in India, celebrations today are also seeing the participation of Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Speaker of Lok Sabha Om Birla, who is currently speaking.
बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद मान्यवर। And now I request
And members
Honorable
from
Vice
both houses.
President of India and Chairman Rajya Sabha, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan ji, to kindly address the distinguished gathering.
தாயின் அன்பாய்,
Vice President of India speaking now.
தந்தையின் அறிவாய், குருவின் ஒளியாய், தாயாய், தந்தையாய், குருவாய், தெய்வமாய், நாம் அனுதினமும் வழிபடுகின்ற புனித பாரத அன்னையின் பொற்பாதங்களை முதற்கண் பணிந்து வணங்கி, I touch and salute the
Translated
holy
version of the Constitution of India will be released in 9 languages, and that includes Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Punjabi, Kashmiri, Telugu.
Draupadi Murmu ji,
The commemorative booklet,
Prime Minister of India, Sriman
art and calligraphy in the Indian Constitution will also be released during the program.
Sriman Om Birla ji, Honorable Union Ministers, Honorable Leaders of the Opposition of both houses, Honorable Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha, distinguished members of Parliament, Bhai Begno, Sabko Namaskar.
We also have a list of dates, year-wise, giving you a glimpse into what happened in 1950 in India, a young nation.
I extend my warm greetings to all my beloved Bharatvasis. Since 2015, we have started observing 26th November as the Constitution Day every year, Samvidhan Divas. Now it has become the pride celebration of every Indian. our great extraordinary leaders like Baba Saheb.
And those were visuals from India's old Parliament building, where the Constitution Day is being celebrated. India's Prime Minister, India's President, India's Vice President, Speaker of Lok Sabha, and also Leader of Opposition, they were all in attendance. And while we continue to bring you the latest from Samvidhan Divas, which is today, as of now, we'll step into a short break. That's a wrap on News Point. Stay with us. News and updates continue on the other side.